And one of the big headlines that came in yesterday was about regulation by the government. Will the movies and shows you watch on your favorite OTT platforms be affected by the new rules that have been rolled out by the government to regulate content, or does simply demand greater regulation? This report answers your questions.
In order to come down hard on fake news and malicious content on digital platforms, Centre has dished out a new set of rules and regulations that also apply to all major streaming giants, including Netflix, Amazon and Disney Hotstar, among others. IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad and Information and Broadcast Minister Prakash Javadekar, in a joint press conference on February 25th, announced the big changes to not only regulate content but also to establish what it called a soft-touch progressive institutional mechanism with level playing field, featuring a code of ethics and a 3-tier grievance redressal framework for both social media companies as well as OTT platforms.
For OTT and digital news media, both will have to disclose their details from where they publish, how they publish, how much is the spread, anything. So that disclosure will come. That is first, information. Their grievance redressal system, in the same manner, it will work in OTT platforms and digital portals also. Then second tier will be self-regulation. On OTT platforms, they will have to have a self-regulation, a body headed by a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge or otherwise very eminent person in this category. और तीसरा एक सरकार है तो सार्वभौम सरकार होती है, सॉवरेन सरकार होती है, तो एक ओवरसाइट मैकेनिज्म भी होगी जहां एकदम तुरंत फैसले करने पड़ते हैं, कोई बहुत बड़ा पेंच तैयार हुआ तो ये ओवरसाइट मैकेनिज्म रहेगा.
So basically, the government has asked OTT platforms to self-regulate and also wants a mechanism for addressing any grievances. While films have a censor board, OTT platforms will require to self-classify their content based on age, content, theme, tone and impact. All classifications will have to be prominently displayed. The age classification includes universal rating. The content can be classified as per themes and messages, violence, nudity, sex, language, drug and substance abuse and horror. The new guidelines come days after a couple of recent web shows sparked controversies for allegedly hurting religious sentiment. Now the aim of the government behind bringing these changes to OTT platforms is to bar content that is defamatory, obscene, libelous, racist, harmful to minors, that threatens the unity, integrity, defense, security or sovereignty of India and its ties with other countries.
हमने OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ दिल्ली, चेन्नई और मुंबई में उन उद्योगों के सभी लोगों को बुला के विस्तृत चर्चा की. मैंने खुद दिल्ली में 2 मीटिंगें बुलाई और पहले मीटिंग में मैंने OTT प्लेटफॉर्म को कहा कि आप सेल्फ रेगुलेशन बनाओ जैसा टीवी वालों ने बनाया है, लेकिन नहीं हुआ दुर्भाग्य से. फिर मैंने एक बार फिर मीटिंग बुलाई और कहा कि 100 दिन में बनाओ, लेकिन वो भी नहीं बना. बाद में कुछ नोट बनी थी जिसमें कोई सेल्फ रेगुलेशन बाहर कोई आदमी भी नहीं था, और इसलिए हमने तय किया कि एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैकेनिज्म सभी मीडिया के लिए होना चाहिए.
A decision that couldn't be made mutually with streaming giants in meetings held by the government before this presser. However, was welcomed by a few celebrities who feared that digital content might be regulated by the censor board.
In this case, there's just a self-regulation, and it doesn't see there's a difference between regulation and censorship. Censorship gives you the permission to cut scenes out from a piece of content. This is not that. This is just a regulation by which you inform the viewer of the kind of show or film they're going to watch.
The new guidelines will come to effect from the date of their official publication. So for now, grab your popcorn and enjoy the show you've been waiting to binge watch.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.